Hello everyone. Today we're going to deal with adding and subtracting polynomials. First, let's define polynomials. Polynomials are formed by adding or subtracting monomials. That's basically it. When you have two or more monomials, you add or subtract them, you end up getting polynomials. Poly means many terms. Nomial means terms, okay? So polynomials means many terms. So very simple example, 2x squared plus 3xy plus y squared. That is an example of a polynomial. Okay, simple as that. And just another point here, polynomials can be made up of two or more monomials. So in this case, the example will give you 3, 1, 2, 3 terms, but it could be 5 terms, 20 terms, 30 terms, and then the smallest one is 2, but that is a specific one which actually is called binomial, but don't worry about that. All right. Next piece, we need to identify the degree of a polynomial, and the degree of a polynomial is defined, or you can find a degree by looking at the term with the greatest exponent or the exponent sum for that term. For example, if I give you 2x squared plus x, so between the two terms, you notice that this term has the highest exponent, so the degree in here is 2. If I have another one, so let's say 3x squared y plus 4xy plus 3y squared, in this case you look at each of these terms and you need to combine. This is the only time that you do this, just for the sake of degree of the polynomial to get it. We add the exponent sum. We add all the exponents for each one, and whichever term is the highest, that is the degree. So in this case, 2 and 1 right here, that's 3, that's 2, that is 2, so 2 and 1 is 3, so 3 is the degree of this polynomial. All right, let's look at this example A. We're going to simplify the first bracket, subtract the second bracket, and that's the addition subtraction of polynomials. All right, let's go through it. We're going to do it one step at a time. The very first thing is that we need to get rid of the brackets. So the first bracket we can just remove, but the second bracket we have to incorporate this negative outside. So we're going to rewrite this now. 6x cubed y squared minus 2y cubed x squared minus 3x squared y squared, and then minus, now that includes, it comes in and affects every single term inside the bracket, minus 5 y squared x squared plus, because negative times a negative right here, negative times a negative is positive. All right, so that would be plus 2x squared y cubed, and the last piece will be minus 4y. Now we are going to collect like terms. All right, so we're going to go through first x cubed y squared. Where else we see x cubed y squared? We do not see it anywhere. We're just going to rewrite the whole thing down. So the first term down, 6x cubed y squared. We're going to cross that. Very good. Next one, it is y cubed x squared. Y cubed x squared. Look, this one is actually y cubed x squared. It's just that the cumulative law is actually taking effect, but it's the same thing, y cubed that. So there's a minus 2 plus 2. That actually cancels out. That means it subtracts away, becomes 0. So that's gone. Bye-bye, Charlie. All right, and the next piece is the next x squared y squared. So we've got x squared y squared there. We've got x squared y squared there. So now we have minus 3 minus 5. So that would be minus 8 x squared y squared. And that is done. Okay, and then last piece that we have left is minus 4y. There is nothing else we can add or subtract. There are no like terms, and you let it be. That's the final answer. All right, one more thing, last thing. Actually, we should have done that first. What is the degree? What is the degree of the polynomial? Let's look at the first bracket. So we have 3 and 2, that's 5. 3 and 2 is 5 again. 2 and 2 is 4. So the degree of the first piece will be 5. The degree of the second polynomial is 5 again. So this one also will have a degree of 5. Now together, that's degree 5 again. Together, notice that the final answer, which is right here, will also have degree 5 because of 3 and 2. Okay,